Hey everyone, Dr. Michael Breus, the sleep doctor here, to talk to you about one of my favorite activities when I watch golf, napping. A lot of people want to know, are there benefits and drawbacks of napping? Remember, the longer you stay awake, the more tired you feel, but a daytime nap can really revitalize you. This may seem obvious to anyone who's pulled an all-nighter, but napping can also reverse the normal decline in mental sharpness that accumulates as the day wears on. In fact, napping offers a wide variety of benefits. 1. Reducing sleepiness. Let's be honest, even after a night of solid sleep, you naturally feel increasingly tired as the day wears on. A short nap can relieve this sleepiness, making you feel more alert and ready to take on remaining challenges of the day. Another thing napping does, helps boost your memory. Daytime naps also enhance working memory, the ability to retain and easily access small bits of information. Another one could be improving your mood. A daytime nap may have a noticeable effect on your mood. This is especially pronounced in young children who tend to have trouble controlling their emotions after missing a nap. As you know, it's called the meltdown. But adults may also have an easier time regulating their emotions after a good midday snooze. Another thing we learned is increase learning. Napping improves the early stages of memory processes as well as learning. This phenomenon may help explain why young adults who nap more tend to perform better academically. Can napping be a sleep replacement? This is an important question and something I want to address. A daytime nap is not a replacement for a full night's sleep. Napping can relieve fatigue, but it can't reverse the negative effects of chronic sleep loss. In adults, a nap typically includes all of the stages of sleep, but in different proportions than regular nightly sleep. Naps are useful for people who struggle to get enough sleep at night, but napping does not provide the same restorative power as a full night's rest. People often ask, are there different types of naps? Believe it or not, next time you lie down for a siesta, consider why you decided to take a nap. Different types of naps can help achieve different goals. There's the essential nap. This helps you recover from an illness or an injury. There are what we call fulfillment naps. These help young ones hit their sleep goals, mostly during their developmental years. There are recovery naps. This can help curb fatigue from sleep loss. And then there are things called proactive naps, or what I call the disco nap. This can help you feel more rested when you know your schedule might interfere with you getting a full night's sleep. Another practical way to maybe categorize naps is by length. Short naps, or naps lasting 15 to 30 minutes, can help increase alertness without making you feel groggy afterwards. Long naps, or naps lasting longer than 45 minutes, can be useful in certain situations. Remember, babies and toddlers usually need longer naps to reach their sleep goals for proper development. Longer naps can also be helpful for adults recovering from an illness or working long hours. So, do your napping needs change with age? Turns out they do. The need for napping evolves through a person's lifetime. Naps help young children get the huge amount of sleep they need for healthy development, and napping habits continue to change into adulthood. Napping is more common in older adults than younger adults, and while many adults prefer napping in the afternoon, older adults are more likely to nap at random times during the day due to changes in their circadian rhythm. So when and how long should I nap? Experts generally recommend napping between 1 and 3 p.m., and napping in the early to mid-afternoon allows you to get the energy-boosting effects of a quick snooze without disrupting your nighttime sleep. Just remember, it can be harder to wake up from a longer nap. Make sure to give yourself extra time to fully awaken before getting back to important work tasks. So, how can I get the most out of my nap? All right, with just 15 to 30 minutes to spare, it's important to get the most out of your midday nap. Number 1, safety. Be sure to let somebody know if you're going to take a midday nap and that they can check on you, and make sure that you're napping in a safe environment. Speaking of environments, try to optimize your nap environment. It's certainly easier to fall asleep when you're in a comfortable, cool, quiet room that's not too bright. Use an eye mask or earplugs to block out surrounding noise, because that can be helpful as well. Also, schedule your naps. If you find yourself napping regularly, try to nap around the same time each day. And of course, keep it short and sweet. Remember, naps lasting around 20 minutes are enough to boost your energy as well as cognitive performance. Or try the Napa Latte. Avoid any post-nap grogginess with a small cup of coffee or about 100 milligrams of caffeine right before your nap. If you have some caffeine right before a short nap, the effects will begin to kick in just as you're waking up. This is Dr. Michael Breus, the sleep doctor, wishing you sweet dreams.